Out here barking like crazy this morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Out here barking like crazy, aren't you? No barking. No barking. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. What are you doing? Why's that tail curled like that? Hey. Want it flat. Want it flat. What are you doing? Now you're getting it all over the place. Now, what are you doing? Come on. Look at that dog over there jumping on. Look at her. Look at her. Hey. Come on. Where'd she go? Ah! See if she comes back. They know better. Coming back. Ha ha. Yeah, you better pay attention. You better. Yeah. Hear them birds? Look at it ready to rain. You guys have a great Saturday. Have a great weekend, okay? Thanks for watching. Yeah, look like it's going to rain again. So it's supposed to be like this all week, even Mother's Day. Tomorrow's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day, everybody.